E weche moko en kaka yor keto tudruok makare mar ohala kind Kenya kaachiel kod Democratic Republic of Congo. Nitiere chenro moketi mar rombo ohala ma ibiro tim e piny mar DRC chakre tarik 29 nyaka tarik 13 dwe mar 12 ka ochakre tarik 29 dweni ka tudruok makende bende oketi to kod Equity Group. Mano ochopo kare bang' winjruok ma bende notim e kind Ker Uhuru Kenyatta gi Ker ma DRC Felix Tshisekedi man gitimo dwe mar 2. Kata kamano romo mar neno ni koro chenro no pangi notimo odiochieng' manyore bure Nairobi. Equity Group kokalo Equity Bank wacho ni Kenya biro chung giwacho ni koro gibiro chung ne chenro ma kamago duto te ka gitiyo kod omenda gi. Kane olose romo no, jagoro migawo mar ohala to kod kembe pacho ka Dr. Betty Maina olero ni koro DRC en namba 6 ma Kenya tere mwandu gi omiyo koro tudruok ma kamano koketi motegno to biro konyogi ahinya.
To appreciate and thank Equity Bank for agreeing to support in government in coordinating this, because it is already a regional bank. It has presence in both Kenya and in the DRC, and we can use those networks it has established to be able to introduce other Kenyan businesses into that market. So all we are offering is the facilitation of government in transporting us together, in organizing meetings, in organizing sessions with the regulators on the other side to facilitate a smooth entry into that market.
And we felt in our humble way we could mobilize 16 development banks, the UN agencies, and the Equity 6 subsidiaries to roll out this plan to provide credit to 5 million businesses in the region, to facilitate them to do cross-border trade, take advantage of the larger market, and hopefully within 5 years create 25 million jobs directly and another 25 million jobs indirectly, where we have committed 500 billion shillings, or equivalent of $5 billion to facilitate trade in the region. What we have done is to set an online website, equitygroupholdings.com, under DRC Trade Mission. And that is a platform which immediately after this will be open for people to register. And it's really comprehensive. Then we'll provide all the details, like we have done block booking of hotels. Then somebody can pick the hotel they want to identify with or wish to stay. In terms of transport and logistics, let me take this opportunity to thank most sincerely Kenya Airways. It has given that mission a dreamliner.
As you prepare to embark on your mission, just take note that you are traveling to the largest country in sub-Saharan Africa, replete with vast surfaces of arable land and various natural resources. We also take great pride in our population, predominantly young, resilient, hardworking, creative, and full of